So my friends, global family, who is going through the same thing, and you are going through a silent battle, silent pain, silent depression, silent anxiety, na bilang magulang hindi mo maamin sa iyong mga anak na nagdaraan ka rin sa depression and anxiety because you have to be strong and you pretended to be strong. When anxiety attacks, when depression attacks, when your mind is being harassed at ikaw ay target ng kaaway, hindi ko alam kung anong scientific advice ang pwede kong ibigay, hindi naman po ako doktor. Hindi rin ako makakapag-advise sa inyo ng medical advice kasi malayong-malayo ang kurso ko dyan. Pero ang kaya kong sabihin sa inyo, yung sinasabi ng salita ng Panginoon, umasa ka sa Diyos. Put your hope in Jesus Christ. Regulate your minds, recalibrate your minds, and remind yourself of the Word of God. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. No weapon formed. Listen, hindi sinabing hindi mapo-form. Ang sabi, kahit ma-form, it will not prosper. Hindi sinabing hindi ka daranas, pero kahit tumaras ka, it will not prosper. Kahit pagdaanan mo, makakasurvive ka sa pangalawa. Bakit? Let's go back to John 16 verse 33 again. I just want to read that one last time. John 16:33. We just read it right now. Ano ang sabi ng ating Panginoong Jesus? Everybody read. I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world, you will experience many troubles. But take heart. What? Take heart. Why? For I have overcome. Listen, let's go back to that again. I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. Next. What's this? In this world, you will have trouble. In this world, overthinker. But take heart, I'm an overcomer. So every time you face that same scenario, and you've been through lonely and dark places, I know not everyone can understand and not everyone can relate to this. Because lalo tayong mga Christians, we are experts in pretending to be somebody that we are not.